This is the CN SWIpower, either 42 or 36. I'm not sure which one is classified as. I just call it the 3600 watt hybrid power inverter. And if you have one that looks like this video is applicable for these. Any inverter that looks like this, really similar. It was probably made in the same factory despite its brand name. And also there is a higher watt version, 6.2 kilowatt version, which has the same settings as this. So it's the same menu settings, everything like this. I will put a link to the manual. It's a 36-page manual. This thing is big. I didn't even print the whole thing. My printer's on the fritz, but there's a link. It'll bring you right to the web page. You're gonna have to download the manual. Don't just look at it on the web page, just in case that web page disappears or these become obsolete fast. You'll have the 35 pages, and it goes through how to set this thing up, how to set your frequency, all that. In a nutshell, I'll just cover a little bit of what I know. You want to hold down to get into the settings. You want to hold down the enter button until you go into that, and then see these numbers right here. So each number stands for a different subsetting. You know, like one is battery type. This might be battery type, I don't remember. No, this is battery type right here. USE stands for user defined. So we can go into the battery options right here. We can go down, see we got different types of lithium, as you can see here. And to select, maybe I'll just do AGN for now. To select a setting, we just hit enter. Yep, that's where I want it at. And then this is escape, brings us back to the home screen. Right now I have it on solar priority. Let me see if I can remember how to set that too. Okay, this is, if we select GOH, if we get into this menu, this resets it to default settings. Okay, SBU, see how it's under SBU right there? That means solar and battery priority. Now, if I go to USB, this is utility priority. And if I set it on USB, it'll use the utility power first and solar and battery as a backup. We don't want that. Sub is solar priority, but it's slightly different. You'll have to read it in the manual. I forgot what's different, but I know I wanted SBU because I want solar priority no matter what. Let me get out of that. Escape. This thing has a trillion fucking settings. You got to go through every one of them. It's time consuming, it's tedious, but yeah, just make sure you check them all out. All the settings are in the manual, so you'll see it. I'll post a link in the comments. I'll also post a link in the description. That'll bring you right to the manual webpage. And then, you know, it sucks, but months and months ago I bought this thing for like 220 bucks off AliExpress, and I put in the reviews that I was going to make a video on it. For those waiting for this video, a lot of people have come to the channel looking for the video and it hasn't been there. I apologize. I am making a really thorough video on this hybrid power inverter. It's an incredible deal. It's really good. It's highly rated across all platforms for a generic cheap inverter. That was very surprising. And it has a trillion different settings. It literally does everything. So I'm really impressed with it so far. Currently making a longer video where we tear it down and all that, and I look at the internal components, the pros and cons to this thing, how I set it up, how I have it connected, all of that for those who are waiting for that video. So just stay tuned. It'll be out. It'll be out hopefully within this week. Hopefully this helps you. Have a good one.